Hello to everyone! I'm Violetta and Russian for Foreigners today. Today I want to give you some first step to start speak Russian. Maybe not speak, but I want you to read and can write, of course. So the Russian alphabet today. So let's start from the beginning. The letter A. Not A, look like A, but R. R, you can pronounce this R, it's the word father, father, A. The letter A, look like A. Another one, B. The letter B, like butter. So, it's not just so difficult, isn't it? So, another one, V. V, it's a video we have like English V. 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 But don't mix up with the B English one. So it's a V. Another G, it's not so difficult. You have also this letter like go. If you say G, go, first letter go, at the word go, you can say G also. D, do something. From the letter D, do, D. Like D, the same in English. But we are spelling it different, D. Another one, it's not E, guys, it's yeah. Yeah. Yeah is a yes. Yeah. You can repeat after me, and I think it would be the same. Another one, yeah, but with a two dot there. Yo. Yo. You can sing yo. Yo is like your, the word your something. Your dress, your. First one, if it would be spelling in Russian, I could put this letter, yo. Let's move on. The letter Z. Z. Z, it's the word pleasure. Can you hear? Pleasure. Z. Z. You can spell it like this. Be careful. Here is a founder inside and another. So, Z. Z. Pleasure. Z. Another Z. As a zebra. Z. 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 Do you see difference? It's not the same, two different letters. It's not the same. Z. Zebra. Z. It's a Z. Z. E. E. You have E in English. Also, me. You say E. E. Now it's not difficult to pronounce it. After E, look like E, but with a hat here, small one. Y. So this one E, another Y. So boy, boy, I краткий, I, boy. Can you hear? Boy means Y. So the letter K, K, you have the same K in English, K, K. L, L, leave, L, leave, L, the same in English, L, we don't have anything different, just pronounce as the same, but spelling are different. M, like mother, like May, you know, M, but it's the same, M, M. Another, N, It's not H or in Spanish H, it's N. N, like nose, N. In English, N. Or the same, you have O also. O, and look like the same if you spell it also, it's O. The letter P, P. Like when you say the word sport, you can see P here, P. So it's like in English P, P, P. So P. R. Next one, R. Like R, yours, but we are more stronger. Like, you know, some Spanish speaker can say this, but who's speaking English, it's so difficult maybe, but you know, when I was young, maybe for 3 years, I didn't speak this letter. I couldn't speak. It's so hard. R, r. When you are doing something at home, try to do it by yourself. R. So, r. Next one, s, 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 like C, like S in English, s. The letter T, T, like in English, T, like tour, T, toy, T, so T. Do you see how of that letters from the alphabet, it's like look like the same. It's not like Arabic one, you know, it's so similar here. I promise you, I told you that Russian is not so hard language. The letter U, U, like book. Can you hear a book? U, after the B, you can hear U, the sound. U, book, like U. Okay, U. Next one, F, F, the sound F, F. So, face. Can you hear? Like in English, F. I can just write here down. Do you understand that it's F, the same? Next one, a bit hard for you, but you can understand also. H, H, like house, house. Starting from sound, first sound, like H, the same in Russian, but we are spelling different. H. Ts, like TS. Ts. Try. Ts, ts, ts. Do you think, is it finished? No. Another letters, it's a bit hard. Let's show you. So let's continue. The letter sh, sha, sound sh, like sh, sh, shop, like you can hear this in English word shop, sh. But another one look like sh, but with a tail, small one. Sh, sh, more softer. Sh, this one sh, sh. Can you hear the difference? Sh, like sheep. Sh, 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 sh. Can you hear the difference? So, these two letters I will leave a bit. So, another one. Roses. I didn't find another word with this letter. Do you hear how it is? A bit different, like from another alphabet, but in Russia we have this this one. Okay, let's show you how you can spell it. like this and like this. So maybe you can see just this. So next one, like bat, You see a bat sound after b, bat, Another one, vowel, u, like you. I put here you to you understand how you can pronounce this letter. And another, the last one at the alphabet, but so important. I love to tell some story about this letter. When someone talking a lot about himself or herself, they say ya. Ya, it means I am in Russian. Ya. It's so important letter, ya. So, if you are talking too much about yourself, ya. The best person in the world, ya. The smartest, ya. I don't know, etc., etc. So, I can answer, I can tell you if you're like that, if you love to show off and speak about yourself too much, I can say ya, it's the last letter at the alphabet. So ya, it's not a first, so it means be careful to say too much the letter ya. So ya, like yard, yeah. So, and come back to these two letters. Мягкий знак and твердый знак. Мягкий and твердый. So, let's I explain you something. Do you understand why this letter we have and why I'm talking about this letter at the end of my video? So, this letter, you can see this letter just after some letters to make this letter, strong one, becoming soft. So, for example, the letter R. If you put мягкий знак after R, can be R. You see? Without it, R, with мягкий знак, R. So, after P, you see strong P. You write here мягкий знак will be P. You see? It's a bit different. After N, you can put мягкий знак will be N. Do you understand why we have this letter? To make some letters, strong one, change to be soft, you know. So, R, N, P. You understand? So, another one, it's different. This one, let's I tell you why we're using them. To divide at one letter or at one word, divide for two different sounds. For example, exit, we have the word exit, въезд. Въезд. We have the word въезд, it means exit. So, въезд, but it's like exit for the car. Let's say that. Въезд. So, without this letter, you can read V, E, vest, vest. But if you put this letter between two letters V and E, can be V, jest. Do you see difference? Without will be vest, but with this твердый знак will be v, jest. So this letter divide two sounds. Divide this word on two sounds. V, another one, jest. Въезд. This correct when you pronounce въезд, not вест. Вест, it's not correct. Въезд, correct. Do you understand? So I hope this lesson will be so useful, and I can see you at the last one how you will be speaking with me. So, and write down some words, and can you read maybe? So see you at the next lesson.